हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लर्न टेक विद स्मृति। आज का जो लेक्चर है वो एनोनिमस क्लास के बारे में। अभी तक हमने जावा में बहुत कुछ कवर कर लिया है, तो एनोनिमस क्लास को स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले आता है व्हाट इज एनोनिमस मीन्स। एनोनिमस वर्ड का मीन क्या है? एनोनिमस मीन्स दैट हैव नो नेम्स। Like if we talk about anonymous class, then that class have no names. If we talk about anonymous functions, like that functions have no names. For example, like lambda functions, which have no names, is called anonymous functions. So in today's lecture, we will cover anonymous class. So anonymous means that have no names. So a class that have no names is called anonymous class. So let's implement and see the example. See the example. This is our main class and main methods. And let's create an abstract class and declare a function. And everyone knows about abstract class. If you don't know, then see, for 2 days I only tell that abstract class is that in which we give the function definition as well as only function declaration. So when in in any class that so in which class we extend this class, we need to give the definition of all the functions that are declared inside this abstract class. If we don't give all the function definition, that then it's compulsory that we also declare as an abstract class. So let's declare a function public void hello. So we give, oh sorry, we need to use abstract keyword here also. So this is our abstract method that only give the declaration, and another function we also give the definition. So this is our second function in which we give definition, but in above function we only give declaration. So let's implement an anonymous class. So firstly, if we want to use this hello function, then we need to create a class in which we extend this class example, and the definition of this function we give on that class in which we extend this class. So if we don't want to create a new class, so let's implement here. We cannot directly create object of this class because in this class we have a function which is only declared, not definition. So for creating anonymous class, we use, and inside this we give all the functions definitions which we declare in the abstract class. So let's give the function. So I implement this method which is only declared inside the abstract method. Now if we want to use, then we can use by object name. So dot you can see that here hello, and next exe dot vishesh. We can use both functions. Now let's run this program. So we can see that firstly it print hello word, then we call hello function, so it print this hello, and at lastly it print here good morning because we call vishesh functions. So thank you guys, this is the anonymous class. तो वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट जरूर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।